All aboard! Well, hello, and welcome to this edition of Shaky Hands Shed. And today I'll be unboxing a £25 train set. Well, I say that, not quite, but as good as. It's a cracking deal, but I'll be showing you how to make a true train set. At the end, first off, we have a best wood wagon, and in good condition. Nice roller, all the couplings, all the buffers. So that's say £5 of anybody's money on the cheap side. Second hand price. And next up we have the North Stand wagon. It's got a little chip there and a bit of black paint inside, but nothing a load and a bit of weathering won't take care of. And it's got all the buffers, wheels and couplings intact, so that's another £5 of anybody's money. And here we are, the limited edition that isn't. The Pugh & Co. coal wagon, private owner wagon. And again, all the buffers and all the couplings are in good condition. So that's worth another £5. So what we have left, including postage, in this is a tenner now. So what did I get for me tenner? There you go. And it was working out of the box. It was advertised as working, and it weren't a bad little runner. It's complete, no brakes, all the linings complete, the paint's complete, it's very tidy. It's hardly been run by the looks of it. So it's a classic loco, and with all the others, that'd work out at a tenner, so more than worth it. Anyway, I didn't have to do anything on this. It was a runner, so I just give it a light lubing. Well, I say light, we might stutter your hands. Anything goes. Get it behind me ears and everything. Use it as perfume. Spray a bit in the cat's eye. You know, why not? Just stop oil and put a permanent ban on me. And I'd eat a bacon sandwich in front of them, because I bet they're vegan as well. Anyway, here we go. I'm putting a bit much on because my oiler isn't working that good at the moment. But it won't harm it, I'll wipe it off after any excess, because I'll clean it later. I've got it running and running in now, because I don't think it's been running. And I've also got a track cleaning wagon behind it. And here we are doing the other side. Dab it on the wheels, why not? That'll do it good. No, it won't. Avoid that if you can. And there we go. It proper burst there. Ah well, at least it won't rust. And I'm just clearing it off to do the back one. Dab a little bit on that, don't go wild now. Not like the middle one. Drip, drip, and we're in. And there we go, and I did the axles as well. Because it's a nice little loco, you know, and I did I did the motor's bearings, just dropped a little oil on each side, because I don't think it's been lubed since new. In fact, truth be known, it's that clean and that minty fresh. I think it's a loco somebody's not taken to, and it's not been run. But even so, if you buy one of these, the London Transport were never the popular one of the two. But even so, they go for 44 quid. By themselves now on eBay. And this one's got nothing broken off. You could, if you wanted, send off to Fox Transfers and get some brass number plates for it. And some Great Western decals. Or British Railways decals. If you didn't fancy doing an elaborate Great Western paint job, you could spray it matte black and do it as a British Railways version with the number plates on the side. And if you wanted to go way out west, I've got one of these Hornby ones that has used the handrail knobs, and people have fitted handrails on it. You can fit lamp irons to it. You can put loco crew on to hide the motor a bit. You could put loco crew tools on. I've got them on another one of these I did in another video. I did one in British Railways livery. So it's quite a nice little loco. I've got one with a synchro smoke that I'll do in the Great Western livery. Anyway, we're lining them all up now, the carriages, and, well, the carriages, the wagons I should say. And that should be that. And do lining up. And there we go. Last one on. Yeah, so as I said, push it back. Ready for a start. As I said, it's not a complete train set, but as you can see here, if you went on eBay, £44.95, £4.69, so call it 50 quid. You can have the track transformer, so £70 with that locomotive. You're complete and ready to rip. And it's a modern controller and it looks all new. Out of a set, so you can't really go wrong. So, like I say, £70, where do you go wrong for that money? Compared to normal sets, and it gives you the choice of choosing, if you're looking through eBay, for cheap locos and cheap wagons, you can buy separate. Obviously, it gives you a lot of choice, and look at this one. Here there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 points, level crossing. No, the crossover. 6, 7, 8. A re-railer. The straights, curves, buffer stops. And that one works out at, call it 46, 45. So 66. 66. About £70 again. You've got all that, and for another £10, there's a buy it now transformer. It's not one of the best ones, but it'd do you. But look at all them points for that price. £39.95. You can't go wrong with that. Even if they're Hornby and they're not brilliant. And there you are, sorry, £6.99 with £3.99 postage. You can have a transformer. Where do you go wrong with that? It's not brilliant, but it'll get you going. I'd recommend you got somebody to pack test it. If you know somebody in, say, schools or a nursing home or something like that, where they get stuff pack tested, or take it to a local electrician and ask them to pack test it, just so you know you're safe. And here's proof that, yep, I really did pay 25 quid for it in total. Well, 24.95 if we want to be pedantic about it. But there you are, there were 2 bids, I was the only bidder. Nobody else bidded. I don't believe it. People complain about prices. Then nobody else bids and you get it for 25. Unbelievable. Turn their noses up. I'll take it all day long for 25 quid for a locomotive and 3 wagons in good nick. Happy days. Yeah, but it says 2 bids. I were both of them. I put a near enough bid on at first to what they wanted, and then I thought, no, I'll put a bit more on it. But that's starting off from raw. And cracking little runner. It's on its way round my layout, coming past at hyper speed. It does also go slow. As I say, it's running in at the moment on my layout. I've got it going backwards for half an hour now. Anyway, as I say, you can't go wrong. It's just a matter of searching and putting things together. And yeah, you can get well cheaper than what's on. No, but you can manage to pick You can manage to pick the older tender locos up in good condition. I've got them for 25-30 quid. It's just being like a dog with a bone and search through. Put all different wordings in and search for different things. And you'll be successful eventually. Anyway, thanks for watching. And tatty pie, everybody. Tatty pie.